sigma dx dy minus sigma dx dy divided by n divided by root of, add the number 4 plus 6, 10, 14, 20, 26, 30, 36, 45, 50, 5 degree positive correlation. If r is equal to 0.5 to 0.75, it is called modern degree correlation. Minus 129.5 is 46.4, 170, 129.6 is 40.4. Positive correlation if r is minus 1, negative correlation. Hello my dear student, I am Dr. B.S. Subramania, called by name Dr. BSS, Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidyashram First Year College, a Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. I am going to hand Statistics for Management 1, 5th semester BBA. The session goes in favor of correlation. I already discussed whatever correlation. Correlation is a relation between the two variables x and y. In the last session, we solved one problem, same type of problem you are going to solve. What is correlation is R. What is your formula? R is equal to sigma dx dy minus sigma dx into dy divided by n divided by root of sigma dx square minus sigma dx whole square divided by n into sigma dy square minus sigma dy whole square divided by n. We'll go with the problem now. So the marks scored by two students x and y as follows. So find correlation and probable error. The question will be like, find correlation and a probable error. I will explain now. We'll go one by one. X. What is the first number? 10, 12, 14. 10, 12, 14, 10, 12, 14, 8, 9, 13, 8, 9, 13, 8, 9, 13, 8, 9, 13, 15, 12, 10, 13, 15, 12, 10, 13. I will see that. 15, 12, 10, 13. Okay. First, dx, which is the lowest number. You see that? The lowest number is 8, 0. So 2 means how much more? 2 more. 12 means how much more? 4 more. 14 means how much more? 6 more. 9 means 1 more. 13 means 5 more. 15 means 7 more. 12 means 4 more. 10 means 2 more. 13 means 5 more. Add the figure. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6, 6, 12. 13, 18, 25, 29, 31, 36. Sigma dx is 36. We'll go one by one. 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 1 plus 5 plus 7 plus 4 plus 2 plus 5. 36. Dx square of this number 4, 16, square of this number 36, 0, 1, square of this is 25, square of this is 49, this is 16, this is 4, this is 25. Add the figure. This is 4 plus 6 is 10, 16, 17, 22, 31, 37, 41, 46. 4 plus 2, 6, 7, 11, 13, 16, 17, 176. Check in the calculator. So 4 plus 16 plus 36 plus 1 plus 25 plus 49 plus 16 plus 4 plus 25, 176. What is this? Sigma dx square. Now go with y. 6, 8, 10, 6, 8, 10, 6, 8, 10, 8, 10, 12, 8, 10, 12, 6, 8, 10, 8, 10, 12, 8, 10, 13, 11, 8, 10, 13, 11, 8, 10, 13, 11. Okay. We'll move on. dy, which is the lowest number here. 6 is 0, 8 is 2, 10 is 4, 8 is 2, 10 is 4, 12 is 6. I took 6 as 0, 12 is 6, 8 is 2, 10 is 4, 13 is 7, 11 is 5. Add the number 2 plus 4, 6, 8, 12, 18, 20, 24, 31, 36. Sigma dy is 36. We'll go apply. 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 6 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7 plus 5. 2 plus 4 is 6, 8, 12, 18, 20, 24, 31, 36. Square of this number, dy square, 0, 4, 16, 4, 16, 36, 4, 16, 49, 25. Add the number 4 plus 6, 10, 14, 20, 26, 30, 36, 45, 50, 5 plus 2, 7, 11, 12, 15, 16, 17, 170. Check from the calculator. 4 plus 16 plus 4 plus 16 plus 36 plus 4 plus 16 plus 49 plus 25, 170. What is this is? Dy square. Last one, dx dy. Deviation of x, deviation of y. 2 into 0 is 0. 4 into 2 is 8. 6 into 4 is 24. 0 into 2 is 0. 1 4s are 4. 5 6s are 30. 7 2s are 14. 4 4s are 16. 2 7s are 14. 5 5s are 25. Add 135. Check in the calculator. 8 plus 24 plus 4 plus 30 plus 14 plus 16 plus 16 plus 25. See that? 8 plus 24 plus 4 plus 30 plus 14 plus 16 plus 14 plus 25. So 135 sigma dx dy. Apply the formula. R is equal to sigma dx dy minus sigma dx into sigma dy divided by n divided by root of sigma dx square minus sigma dx whole square divided by n. Formula R is equal to sigma dx dy minus sigma dx dy divided by n divided by root of sigma dx square minus sigma dx whole square divided by n into sigma dy square minus sigma dy whole square divided by n. Slowly apply the number. What is sigma dx dy? 135 minus what is sigma dx? 36. What is sigma dy? Also 36 divided by 10 divided by root of what is sigma dx square? 176 minus 36 whole square divided by 10. So sigma dx square is 176 minus 36 whole square divided by 10. Sigma dy square 170 minus 36 whole square divided by 10. So simplify this. 135 36 into 36 36 into 36 1296 divided by 10 129.6 divided by root of 176. So 1296 divides this is 129.6 into 170 minus 36 square is 1296 by 129.6. So simplify. 135 minus 129.6 5.4 divided by root of 176 minus 129.6 46.4 into 170 minus 129.6 40.4. So next step 5.4. So 176 minus 129.5 is 46.4. 170 129.6 is 40.4 divided by root of. So 40.4 into 46.4 is equal to 1874.56. Next para. R is equal to 5.4. If we remove the root of that number, 43.29, 43.30 you can take, divide 5.4 divided by 42.30, 0.1276, say 0.13, more than 13. probable error is equal to 0.6745 into 1 minus r square divided by root n. This is 0.6745 1 minus 0.13 whole square root of 10. This is 0.6745 into 1 minus 0.13 into 0.13 0.0169 divided by root of 10, 3.16. This is 0.6745 1 minus 0.0169 is equal to 0.9831 divided by 3.16 divided by 3.16 is equal to 0.31. 0.6745 into 0.31 0.6745 into 0.31 0.209 say 0.2. I think you follow. So last problem also we did the same thing. It's a probable error. This is a constant 1 minus r square 1 minus 0.13 whole square divided by 10. Root of 10 is 3.16. If you direct no 0.0169, this is 0.9831 divided by 3.16. If we divide no 0.31 into 0.209, say 21. Here we got certain properties. I think what I did was I took the lowest number 10 as 2. 10, the lowest number is here 8. 10 is 2 more. 12 is 4 more. 14 is 6 more. 1 more, 5 more. So square of the number, same thing I apply for y also. dx, dy. Then I apply the formula. This formula you have to scale. 15 marks question. Then regarding the here, some properties are there. In the examination, 5 marks, they will ask the property of coefficient correlation. First property, if the R is positive 1 is equal to perfect positive correlation. Perfect positive correlation. If R lies between 0.75 to 1, high degree of positive correlation. 0.75 is to 1 is equal to high degree positive correlation. If R is equal to 0.5 to 0.75, it is called modern degree correlation. If R is equal to 0 to 0.5, it is equal to lower average or lower degree. Lower degree of correlation. Then, if R is equal to 0, no correlation. If R is equal to 0 to minus, lower degree of correlation, negative. If R is minus 1, perfect negative correlation. This will last for 5. So if R is positive 1, positive correlation. If R is minus 1, negative correlation. 0.75 to a high degree, 0.25 to 75 modern degree, 0 to 0.5 lower degree, 0, if a 0 is there, no correlation at all, 0 to minus 2, a lower degree of correlation negative. If R is minus 1, perfect negative correlation. Definitely this will ask for 5 marks, the property of the correlation. So 15 marks and 5 marks be solved. So we discussed about the 2 problems of correlation. In the next class, we'll go for table correlation, how to construct the table and the correlation. So we solved the two problems on the correlation. We'll go in the next class, table correlation. We'll solve about 3 or 4 problems of the table correlation. It's a good problem, how to construct a table, how to apply the formula. So till then, goodbye in the next class with a table correlation. Till, so good day for you.